everyone. My name is Ekhtiari, and I'm really happy that we are going to have another webinar in our webinar series discussing about dose response in non-invasive brain stimulation, animal and cellular levels. And just to give you a little bit of context about the network which is organizing the webinar, International Network of Neuromodulation Neuroimaging, we started the idea with discussions with a group of friends and colleagues discussing about the importance of virtual collaboration, diversity, global representativeness, transparency, harmonization, and methodological rigor. And we started with a network that we named as International TS fMRI Network, starting about basically TES and fMRI. And from that point, we invited people around the world that are doing TS fMRI studies. And there are some like 50 labs that joined the network, and different colleagues and collaborators that are working together right now in the TS fMRI network. So from that point, we basically had several webinars so far discussing about these topics among different colleagues. And we recently put together a methodological checklist for TS fMRI, which has been published in Nature Protocols. And we are thinking to expand that idea to other areas in the combination of neuroimaging, neuromodulation. So for being able to do that, we are thinking to expand the network to other areas. And right now we are discussing with different colleagues to make different branches within the large network of neuroimaging, neuromodulation. And we have a WhatsApp group. If you basically scan the QR code, you can receive the link to the WhatsApp group. Also within the OHBM organization, we are discussing to open a specific interest group and kind of expand that within that network. And also within the ISMRM, we are discussing what a specific study group that would be covering the neuroimaging, neuromodulation. So we are trying to expand that network activity around different areas of neuroimaging, neuromodulation. And today we are going to have a webinar discussing about dose response relationship in different non-invasive brain stimulation technologies. And we have a series of distinguished speakers who are going to present their works. We will start with two distinguished figures in the field, Dr. Lisenby and Dr. Opitz, and they are going to be co-chairing this webinar. And then we'll have kind of other speakers. We will have 12 speakers discussing about their findings today. So Holly and Alex, you have the control, and the first speaker would be Dr. Holly Lisenby from NIMH.